Can you make money in real estate? Hey, Hector Villatoro here. Today, I want to talk to you about 4 ways that you can make money in real estate. I want to talk about commission, wholesaling, flipping houses, and rental properties. How can you make money in commission? If you're in the business of selling houses, you probably know that this is self-explanatory. What I mean by that is that when you help people buying or selling a home, you will get a percentage. I just wanted to clarify. When you work in commission or in sales real estate, you need to get a license from your state. Well, that's the requirement when you are talking about commission. For example, if you sell a house for $500,000, you might make a general commission of $25,000. For that reason, there is a good way, and I tell you the benefit about that. When you have a commission base, the investment that you need to do is very low. You only have to dress up for success, know what you're talking about, and have a license. That's basically what I can tell you about commission, making money with commission when you sell real estate. Now, the next way that you can make commission is wholesaling. What is wholesaling? For example, you knock on doors, you talk to people, and you find a homeowner who wants to sell a house. You sign up a contract with that seller with the promise that you're gonna sell the house. So when you have that contract, then you find an investor who's gonna give you a referral fee for the sale or assignment of that contract. For example, you find a property that is $200,000. You find the seller who needs to sell the house and he agreed to sell it to you for $200,000. Now, once you have that contract signed, then you can sell it or wholesale it to an investor who's going to give you $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, whatever. As long as the investor is going to make money, he's going to give you whatever percentage. So you have to understand there's a very easy way. For wholesaling, you do not need to have a license. All you have to be is willing to find people who really need to sell, and they're willing to sign contract with you, and you have the ability to find somebody in the time frame that they give you, probably going to be 30 days to find another buyer that's going to pay the seller and pay you for finding the property. So it's going to give you a finder fee. Wholesaling, in general, that's what I'm talking about. Now, the next part is flipping houses. Flipping houses is a little more, you need to have a little more money to do it. Why? Don't get me wrong, you still make a lot of money. You can make money on flipping houses. You find a house, sign the contract, and then you close it. Once you close it, you fix it, and then you sell it at the end. Now, the process is going to take 2 or 3 months to do it. Now, you need to be prepared financially, because when you find an opportunity to buy a house, especially with a good price, you need to close fast. You prefer to make a cash offer to the seller. When you have a cash offer, the seller, we're going to close in 30 days. Now, it's 2 ways that you can do it. One is that you can get a private lender. If you have your own money, it's even better. But if you don't, then you need to find a hard money lender or private lender who's going to give you financing. Also, you can go regular financing, as long as you have a lender who's going to give you a loan really fast. It's not going to delay the process, because you may end up losing the down payments. You don't act quickly. In that way, you can make really good amounts of money flipping houses. Now, and the last part is rental properties. How you make money in rental property? Also, you need some investment, some money invest. Now, you buy a house, and let's say your mortgage or the amount of expenses is $2,000, you want to make sure that the rental is like $2,500, so you have a little cash flow. That way you can make income, monthly income. Long term, you're getting equity because the price of the house is increasing, and also you're getting a positive cash flows on the regular basis. In general, and in conclusion, these are the 4 ways that there are more ways that you can make money in real estate, but just so you know, some of these strategies you need to have a license. Some of them you don't need to have a license. All you have to do before you start, you have to have the right education or the right people with you to help you. Who do you need? You need a good real estate broker, a good lender or loan officer, a hard money lender or a private lender, and you can make good amounts of money. I'm being in the business for more than 20 years and apply all these strategies. I am a broker, but that doesn't stop me to do any of those strategies. My name is Hector Viatoro from RB Realty. Thank you for watching.